Hey guys, so I've got a little surprise here, and it is a new baby alive. So I have to film this video really quick because I am home for my school break. I have like 20 minutes. But I ordered this new baby alive 4 days ago off Amazon, and she's finally here. So I'm going to do an unboxing video of her because I haven't done a baby alive unboxing on my channel yet. So let's get started. Also guys, if you didn't know, she is the tinycorn's baby. So we're going to start by cutting all of the little ties. There's some at her feet. There we go. Don't want to cut her sweater, so we got to be careful. Ooh, this is going to be tight. Okay, I think we can get her out. There we go. Now we got to get her bottle. There we go. There we go. There's a tie at the far back. We got her diaper out. And also, guys, this is just such a cute box, honestly. I don't think I'm going to keep it. Well, actually, I might because it's just so cute. First of all, can we talk about the outfit on this sweet girl? Like, it is so darling. I'm going to take off her hood for the first time to see what her style is at the back. Oh, she's got a cute little bun. Guys, I just realized something about her. I didn't know Baby Alive or Hasbro made dolls like this, but look. Her arms move, but they can also, like, pull out. That's so cool. You guys, she's honestly just so cute. Like, the skirt, I love the skirt. And her smile and those starry eyes. I love the eye color. She is just so sweet. So, this is the little diaper she came with. And I just forgot how little Baby Alive diapers are because I haven't bought them in a while. I love her bottle. You can't really tell, but it's, like, sparkly. And it's, like, I think you put water in it and then you squeeze it for her to suck it. Oh my gosh, feeding her that will be so cute. So like I said, guys, I don't really have much time. But I do want to do a quick name reveal. I saw her on the picture, and I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to name her this. But looking at her in person, I do think that this name will suit her. So this cute little girl's name is going to be Tori. I think Tori will definitely suit her. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just still not over that adorable face. But I think her roleplay age is going to be 2, so I think she'll be the same age as Lola, or I might make her the same age as the twins and do 2.5, but somewhere in the 2s. Okay guys, so I actually just got home from school. I had to stop filming so I could head back, but now I thought I'd continue on with the video and do like a little review. So like I'm gonna feed her and see like a few of her other features. Okay, so I don't want to waste the diaper right away, so I have this little fake potty here. And I'm going to feed her on this. Okay, so we have little Miss on the potty. And you know what? I'm actually going to try to find her like a shirt or something because I feel like her dress is too long to wear on the potty, but I don't want her to wear nothing, so 1 second. Okay, so I found her like this little dress there, and it's like shorter and it's not as like poofy, so I think this will work. So let's go figure out how to fill up this bottle. So I am assuming that you just turn on the water and like squeeze it. I think this is working. Oh my gosh, it actually worked, you guys. I was a little skeptical, but it actually works quite well. So we've got this little bottle here for Miss Tori, and she's gonna try it. And I think I just put it in her mouth like this. Oh, she's falling. And like squeeze. I don't know, like that thing's really coming out. Okay, guys, so I learned the hard way by accidentally soaking her dress that Tori has to be laying down to drink this bottle specifically. So now let's see if it works. Oh, it's working. She's peeing there. I didn't want to waste her diaper, like I said, because I don't really buy Baby Life diapers. They're really overpriced. So I just had her go on a towel. But that system does work. The Drink of Wet does work. She just has to be laying down. Okay, so before we finish this video, let's change Tori into something different so that she isn't soaked. Okay, there we go. Tori's back in her original outfit with a cute little toy. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to end the video here because you guys got to see me unbox her. You got a name and age reveal. And you got to see, like, how her Drink and Wet system works. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love Tori as much as I do. And what do you say, Tori? Bye, guys. Hope to see you in our next video.